Hi there, students. Mindset. Okay, a person's mindset is their way of thinking. It's their mentality. It's their outlook on life. So both John and his sister have the same mindset. I think it's interesting. You would think that children have a very different mindset to their children, but to their parents. But as they grow up, it seems that the two mindsets usually are very similar. It's extraordinarily difficult to change the mindset of the public. Yeah, people think in one way and there is a great resistance to change. So a mindset, a fixed mental attitude, the way that the way of thinking that predetermines a person's responses to a situation or the way they interpret them. Okay, so yeah, it's talking about the way that the mind thinks. Notice mindset, it could be one word, it could be hyphened as well. I think it could probably even be two words, so various different ways to write it. So the mindset is the mental attitude, the thought processes of an individual, or very often a group as well. The mindset of conservative voters. He has a very traditional ethnic mindset. You might have a religious mindset. Yeah, it's talking about the psychology. It's what makes people tick, and this is their mindset, their way of thinking. Yeah. Politicians try to work out the mindset of voters, their mental inclination, because like that the politicians can then say the right things to get them to vote for them. There are many people whose mindset does not allow for new situations. Yeah, they're very stiff and find it very difficult to change. So yes, he has a very military and honourable mindset. Honour is the most important thing to him. Okay, so yeah, what's your mindset? Yeah, your assumptions, your methods, your notions. Yeah, it comes out of your worldview or your philosophy of life. So let's see, how formal is this word mindset? I think I'd give it a 5. I think you can use this in an informal conversation. You could use it in a formal document, so nice and flexible there. And then the origin, well, the mind, the way it is set, the way it is has solidified, and that's effectively the idea of it. So there you go, but a mindset. Do you think different nationalities have mindsets? Yeah, I'm sure the British have a mindset. What's the British mindset? Never upset people. Try to be as polite as possible. Try not to show your feelings. Yeah, this sounds very much to me like a British mindset. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mindset. What's your mindset?